In this video, we are going to see the types of operations on arrays. Array data structure is represented using the index of its elements and the size of the array in a program of various programming languages. The index starts with 0 and the array's length, if the array's length is 9, that means we can store 9 elements and each element in the array can be accessed through its index. So this is the representation of an array in the program of various programming languages. And then we can perform different operations on arrays like insertion, replacement or updation, deletion, traversal and searching. And we can see them one by first, we can see the insertion operation. Based on the requirement, a new element can be added at the beginning, end, or any given index of an array. And this is done using the input statements of the programming languages. And this is an algorithm for inserting an element at a particular index of an array. And if you are inserting an element in an array, one element, automatically the size of the array will be increased by 1. So the steps of this algorithm, that is step 4, step 5 and step 6 are repeated till the I, that is the counter variable, is greater than or equal to position minus 1, where this position is the index, that is position is the place where the element has to be inserted. So this is repeated, that is the set A of, that is array of this index is equal to A of I, that is move the ith element forward. This and that what is done here is the array elements are shifted from this position to one position forward to make room for the new element to be inserted. And so next the insert element to be inserted is inserted at the particular position. So this is better understood by this sample output. So if we want to insert the element 10 at the position 5, then that particular index is 4, that is fifth element is 12. So this fifth element is shifted one step forward. So A of 5 is equal to 12. So the new here, thus making room for the new element 10, that is to be inserted at the fifth position. So after inserting, the output becomes like this. So hope you'll be understanding this. Next operation is the deletion operation, and here we delete an element from the particular index of an array, and this deletion operation takes place as we assign the value in the consequent index to the current index. So the algorithm for this is that first we assign the loop variable to the index of the item to be deleted, and the steps 4 and 5 are repeated while j is less than n, the total number of elements in the array. And here the set A of j, that is array element in the index j, is set to the element A of j plus 1, that is the consequent index is assigned to the current index since the current index value is to be deleted. So the count of the total number of elements is reduced by 1, and this is understood by the sample output given. And here we are deleting the element 3 at the index 1. So the consequent element, that is 5, which is at the index 2, is assigned to the index 1. So this is the how we delete an operation. So this algorithm can be implemented in any programming language. And next is the search operation. Here the searching of an element in the array using a key, and the key element sequentially compares every value in the array to check if the key is present in the array or not. And the algorithm for this is First, we are setting the loop variable as j is equal to 0, and we are repeating the steps 4 and 5 while j is less than the total number of elements in the array. And if an array element is equal to the particular item, and then the item is printed. So if we are searching for the element 5, which is at the position 3, then using this algorithm the output may be printed as found element 5 at the position 3. So this is about the search operation. And the next is the traversal operation. Here the operation traverses through all the elements of the array. So we use loop statements to carry out this, and the algorithm for this is first we are initializing an array of certain size and data type initialize, and we are initializing another variable I with the value 0, and printing we are printing the ith value in the array, and the I is incremented by 1. So repeat the steps 4 is repeated until the end of the array is reached. So the elements here, the sample output may be the elements in the original array. So this is about the traversal operation where the elements of the array are printed. And next is the update operation, and this refers to an updating an existing element. So for the array from the array at the given index. So the item that is to be updated is given set for the particular index. So if the sample output may be since the element at the index 2 is to be updated. So here the value of the in the array, that is LA, in the sense that is linear array, and if the value of that at the index 2 is to be updated as 10, then this using this algorithm the and the program for this in a particular programming language, the output is got as this LA of 2 is equal to 10. So the value is updated as 10 instead of 5, which was the previous one. So subscribe to my channel if you feel contented, like and share my videos with your friends.